Essay title My Hobby Gardening. Gardening is a wonderful hobby that I enjoy very much. It involves taking care of plants, flowers, and sometimes even vegetables. I want to tell you about why I love gardening so much. First of all, gardening is like magic. You take a tiny seed, plant it in the soil, and with some water and sunshine, it grows into a beautiful plant or flower. It's amazing to see how nature works and how we can be a part of it. In my garden, I have all sorts of plants. There are colorful flowers like roses, tulips, and daisies that bloom in different seasons. When they bloom, my garden turns into a burst of colors and it looks so pretty. I also have some vegetable plants like tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce. It's exciting to watch them grow and then pick fresh vegetables for our meals. It feels great to know that I am helping my family eat healthy food from my own garden. Gardening is not just about plants, it's also about taking care of them. I water my plants regularly, make sure they get enough sunlight, and protect them from pests. It teaches me responsibility and patience because plants take time to grow. Another thing I love about my gardening is that it's a peaceful activity. When I am in my garden, I can listen to the birds chirping and feel the breeze on my face. It's a great way to relax and forget about the worries I may have. Lastly, gardening connects me to nature. I learn about how plants grow, the importance of soil, and the role of insects and bees in pollination. It makes me appreciate the environment and want to take care of our plants. In conclusion, gardening is a hobby that brings joy and beauty to my life. It's like a magical world where I can watch things grow and be a part of nature. I encourage everyone to try gardening because it's not only fun but also teaches us important lessons about life and the environment. माय डियर व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। मैं इसी तरह के बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव किस्म के ऐसे स्टोरीज़ आपके लिए लेकर आती रहती हूँ।